This is so cute. Wow. Like, I'm so in love with this wig. Can you believe that it's synthetic? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. And if you are a returnee, a golden oldie, thank you so much for choosing to watch another video. For Musha, or just subscribe because so in this video I'm going to be showing you the stuff that I got from Temu, which is, a lot of people claim that it's the new Shein. A lot of people feel like Shein is not that cheap anymore. So then there's this new app, there's this new store, and apparently it's cheaper than Shein. So I went and I got a couple of things from the shop. So I have two orders. One came in a few days ago. So this first order cost $199.80, and because I was just trying the app out and I'm trying the store out, I ordered a little bit of everything. So it's clothes, a couple of shoes, stuff for makeup, organization, it's quite a few stuff. So I'll just be showing you everything that I got from the website. Yeah, so if you'd like to see what I got, stay tuned, and let's get right into it. The first thing that I got is this two-piece. So it is it woolen or is it knit shorts? And this jacket. The thing is, what I see with my own eyes, what you see in the video, and what you see on the website, it's not the same color, everything. So like on the website, the green is very, it's nice, it's inviting. Let me see again, because I might be wrong actually. The green in the website is not sure if you are going to see it, but I feel like this and this, it's not the same color, ne? I like both pieces. I'm not sure if I like them together. Second thing that I got was this two-piece. I got this two-piece mainly for the top because I am living for it. It's like a one-arm silver bodysuit. It is so cute. I absolutely love it. And then obviously it comes with this, I'm not sure if this is a skirt or what, but as you can see, you can literally, if I decide to wear this out, you can literally see my bum. I might get away with wearing this at a club or something like that. Then I got this jersey. With this jersey, it comes in 3 different colors. There's black with the whole color thing going on, and there's a red one, and then there's this one. I almost bought all 3, and then at some point I wanted to buy 2, and then I settled for buying only 1 because the biggest size was a large, and this is super cropped, as you can see. But nonetheless, I really like the design, the decor, whatever that's going on here. I got this cover up. So I had Jamaica in mind because at some point I'm supposed to go to Jamaica, but near body, as you can see, it's very tight by the chesty because my breasties are too, not too big. They're not too big, it's just too small. So I got this in a large. They didn't have an extra large, so I settled for a large. One thing that you have to do with Temu, be sure to check their sizing when it comes to all of the stuff, because I feel like their clothes run small. With the shoes, I got these heels. So these came in black and beige. but I settled for this because I always buy black clothes and black shoes. That's my first option, and then I might choose gray, I might choose white, you know, I might choose, I don't like, not that I don't like bright colors, but I always have to talk myself into like buying a different bright color if it is available. So I just decided that this screams Caribbean, Hawaii, Maui, so I decided to get these. I think they're very cute, but I still feel like I should have just gotten the black pair or like the beige pair. The next pair that I got were these dupes. These are the foam runners. I am not a big brand person, so I really can't tell, you know, the fake stuff from the original stuff, so most of the time it just doesn't matter. So I got these because, you know, I wanted leisure shoes, you know, and also I'm tired of the fluffy slippers that I got from Shein, the white ones. So I just decided that. Also, these are like so cute with like your track pants or like your leggings, you know, very cute. Let's get into the other things. So I was looking for a tote bag at some point, but why? Wait, yes, I was looking for a tote. I am still looking for a tote bag. So I ordered this because I thought it was like a cool design. The measurements on the app suggested that, you know, this is going to be big. So I got this, then I got this really cute organizer thingy just to like put it inside. And then I realized that this is actually bigger than this, but on the app this was smaller than this. So I'm gonna return this because it's pointless to like buy something that doesn't fit, you know, because and it just doesn't look nice. So I'm gonna return the bag and I'm gonna try and find another one. So this is supposed to look like this in your bag. It does have these detachable thing-a-ling. As you know, I'm in the US. A lot has changed. It's a bit difficult for me to get my nails done, my lashes done, my toes done, and all of that, especially because for now I'm in like a predominantly like white community. So definitely lash and all of that. So I just decided that for like most of the maintenance girly stuff, I'm just gonna have to do them myself for a while. So I got these pairs of lashes. I'm not sure if you can see. This is the first one and this is the second one. So it's different styles. I got a small size because I wanted them to look natural. Also, I can't believe I'm over the whole trend of wearing like super long lashes. I used to love them, and right now I feel like they've never suited me. I don't know why I've been forced up, because my eyes are small, so there's absolutely no need for me to be wearing like super long lashes. Annoyed. Next thing that I got toenails. This is the best thing that I've ever gotten for myself. I'm currently wearing this color right now. I'm currently wearing this color, this red color. It actually looks darker in person than it is on camera. It is so good. Then I got a couple of nails. So I got these ones first, which is like what I'm currently wearing. Bandla, if you think this is bad, I'm sorry. I also think it's bad, but people here don't care, so no one's gonna notice. And then this is the next pair that I got. So after I remove these ones, I'm gonna, you know, keep changing. And then I got an orange set, very cute. Then I got this black-haired Inhale cosmetology instrument. Wait, I need to find out how you pronounce this in English. How do you pronounce Istina in English? Hey Siri. How do you pronounce Istina in English? I think it's sebum. So the white stuff that you get like on your nose is dina in Zulu, in the Zulu language. Niasa is dina, so it could be on your chin, around your mouth, on your nose, sometimes on your forehead. So I saw this, then I decided to get it. But the mistake in Genzile is that I didn't actually like try to set it up. But people did say like the reviews were actually good. So they got this little cute pimple blackhead popper instruments. There's like 5 of them. So it comes with like these 5 different sized stuff for the head, just so that you can suck in whatever you need to suck in. Okay, so it needs to be charged, which is so bad. And then I got makeup brushes. So I got these makeup brushes because my brushes are so old. But these are like, are these flimsy? I'm not exactly sure if they are. Mine are like so old, so I was like, let me try get new brushes, child. Okay, this one is fine. They're very fluffy also. I'm not sure if you can see, but you definitely can see the hair sticking out. These are poorly made. Side note, don't buy brushes from Temu. They're poorly made. Next thing that I got, so I got this really nice hair comb. But why does it look like this does not fit now? Hey man. So I'm gonna plug it in and I'm gonna continue with my life, and we'll just test it out together if it actually works. It's on, so we're just gonna wait for it to get hot so that we can decide. I bought, what do you call this, nail file for obviously the DIYs of the nails and all of that. I got these famous powder puffs. This is what they look like in person. I got this lash applicator. I don't know how it works, ne? I'm not gonna lie. I love, okay, let me not say I love, because I really can't. I feel like I can't apply lashes with my hands anymore, so I always use tweezers, and then this is like the applicator. So I think this would be great to use sometimes. I'm not sure. I got these self-adhesive silicone bumpers for like cabinets and shit like that. So I got this for like a different purpose. I have, you know, those Y shoes that's like separate your big toe and like your second toe. Those shoes hurt me so bad, so I decided to get these to put around the toe separator because they're silicone. So I'm gonna try them out and see how that works out, hopefully, because I've never worn the shoes ever, because like they're just so painful. Like they're painful, so hopefully I'd be able to wear them on vacation. Then I got this famous fan. You know, let's see if it works. I like the color. I think the color is cute. Love it. And then it also comes with a USB cord. Let's check. Okay, so it is hot, ne? And then I got 3 pairs of the mazazas because in life you just have to zazazel all the time. Look at this. I think this is the star of the show. I think this is the star of the show. What do you say? Like, I need you to shut up. These are so cute. I love them. This is like my ultimate favorite pair. The second pair that I got is this one, Tula. I need you to shut up. This looks so good. For the first time ever, I actually like sunglasses, you know, because I feel like I look really weird with like sunglasses on. It's probably the hair also that is contributing to all of this, but I've just never felt like sunglasses suit me. But these, so far, I'm very happy. You know what? I am living for these. What? Look at that. These ones at night, you know, dim, the club, you know, like, you know the vibes. I feel like labantu laba who are always wearing ama zaza at night, at groove, and you know, bottle in hand or glass in hand, and then they just vibing and they just having fun, but you cannot see their eyes, which is like so hot. I don't know why I find that attractive, but it's really, I feel like it's so cool. I feel like the sunglasses are the highlights of like this first order. So it's done heating up. It's not blinking anymore. It's hot, but it's not. I'm gonna get a wig and we are gonna test this together. Sengizibona ngisemotweni in a sunroof, kushaya umoya, you know, like drive to Cape Town. I've never been to Cape Town. I don't know why I think of Cape Town, but I feel like these just scream Cape Town. So I got this bob that I'm always wearing. I just want to see some steam. Hey, it's hot, but it's not burning, you know. It doesn't burn me. I'm supposed to see my wig burning, but it's not. So I think this brings us to the end of this video. I'm happy with most of the stuff. I think on Temu for now, because it's not well known yet, you are definitely gonna win some and you're definitely gonna lose some. Just choose the things that you buy from Temu wisely. So I'm signing out. Please subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment down below and just let me know what you liked from the whole haul. I definitely love all of the sunglasses that I got. I will see you in my next video.